Hey, Jack Mangern from the Southern Ginger Wood Shop. Roll Tide.
No, you're not.
Today we're going to make a... What? Oh, sorry guys. Hey, it's JP from Vauxhall Woodworks. Today we're going to make a cabinet for a pocket hole jig. The plans were originally done for a K4 jig, but Zach asked me to do a modification for the K5 jig. So he's going to add those to the plans, and so let's get started. Stick around. There's not a lot of complicated plywood breakdowns on this build. Basically, it's made out of a quarter sheet of plywood. The breakdown diagrams and the cut list can be found in the plans. Now cross-cut all your pieces to final length. Mark the center line of the base, then mark the diagonal cuts at each end. The layouts for the handles can be a bit tricky. I marked the holes for the cuts on the K4 plan mistakenly, so I had to go back and correct it. That's why you see so many crosshairs on this one. Next, I'm going to take a screw and punch a starter hole in each one of the crosshairs. So it'll make it easier to drill the holes out correctly on the drill press with a Forstner bit. Now we're just going to mark out each line for the handles. I omitted cutting out the angles and joining the holes for the handles because, well, I forgot to hit the record button. Oops. But if you want to see those steps, check out Zach's video by clicking the card here. I also forgot to record the assembly of the platform too, so yeah, there's that. Also, go ahead and cut out a roundover on all the edges on top and bottom with a trim router. Sanding. Well, that's all I gotta say about that. Now we're going to channel our inner George Von Driscoll and mill some lock rabbets. This is my favorite method of drawer construction. This is a really easy and fun method of building drawers. It also suits my inner OCD. It's so satisfying. There are several videos on YouTube that will show you how to set up this cut. George Von Driscoll is an absolute legend when it comes to this operation. Go check his videos out. The cool thing about a lock rabbet is that it interlocks with itself and creates a very strong joint with minimal glue. Next, we're going to cut the bottoms for each drawer. It's just going to be made out of 1/4 inch plywood. And yes, I am cutting it with a dado blade because I was too lazy to switch out to my regular blade. To assemble these drawers, just run a bead of glue into the rabbets and interlock the pieces together. But make sure that you put the bottom piece in before you put the last back piece on. And once you get everything into place, go ahead and take your King's Fine Woodworking Thor's mallet and beat everything into submission. Then take a pin nailer and then tack everything so it won't move. And just for some extra measure, we're going to go ahead and clamp up the drawers, just, you know, because that's what people tell you to do. And it sounds like a good idea, so just let them sit for about 30-45 minutes. Now we're going to add some knobs to each drawer so we can have something to pull the drawers out with. And now you have a convenient little drawer that you can store all your Kreg jig accessories in. You can also put Allen keys and pencils and some drill bits and some other annoying things that get thrown around the shop that get in the way. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Go ahead and check out the plans on Zach's website, southerngingerworkshop.com.